At the Atomic Bear, we have been rethinking the tactical pen, designing multifaceted, high-quality, aircraft-grade aluminum writing tools for the prepared citizen. The ultra-sturdy SWAT pen, the multi-purpose MTP6, the eye-catching Rebel, the compact Defender. Pens that are not only able to take a beating, but give it back in spades. Designed to complement and complete your everyday carry collection. But true innovation can never stop, because the artisan's work is never done. Introducing the Stealth Pen, a highly functional instrument that surpasses anything we have ever made. What is so unique about it is how it looks, how it feels in your hand. Ergonomically engineered and built to never fail, with modernized parts that seem to move effortlessly. Redesigned, renewed, reimagined. Just think of a tactical, yet practical EDC pen unlike any other. Enjoyable to write with, and unassuming enough to take anywhere at any time. It's quite simply the most portable, most inconspicuous, and most effective survival pen we have ever made. The Atomic Bear Stealth Pen. Rethinking the tactical pen.